Once installed, the recorder can be opened in one of two ways. You can launch the recorder from the Create button at the top of your Panopto library, or you can simply open the recorder from your desktop, the same way you would open any other application. The benefit of launching the recorder from your Panopto site is we will authenticate you automatically and pre-select whichever folder you were in when you accessed the Create menu. This way, your recording will automatically upload to this folder upon completion and not require you to manually select which folder your video should be uploaded to. If you use Panopto integrated with an LMS or other single sign-on provider, we recommend launching the recorder from the video library so you do not have to log in twice. Once the recorder is open and you've signed in, you'll see your username displayed in the top right-hand corner, a button to sign out, and 3 different tabs: Create New Recording, Manage Recordings, and Settings. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Create New Recordings tab, where we can decide which sources we'd like to record in order to create our Panopto video. First, we'll select the folder we'd like our video to be recorded in by clicking the arrow next to the folder text box. If the recorder was launched from within one of your folders on your Panopto site, that folder will already be pre-selected. Take note that you can also search for one of your folders in the folder text box as well. Next, you can give your recording a title in the name field. You can also do this after the recording completes, or after it uploads to your Panopto site. Now let's take a look at the primary and secondary sources options on the left. The primary source will appear on the upper left of your final video and is typically a view of the presenter of the video. You can capture primary audio and video or just primary audio. You can also choose the quality of the video and audio you record. In this example, we'll capture primary video and primary audio at ultra quality. The secondary sources are usually the subject matter streams of the video, such as slides, screen capture, the video output from a projector, or a document camera. In this example, we'll capture PowerPoint and screen capture. Take note that if you have multiple displays, you can capture any combination of them. You can control the quality of your primary sources from the quality drop-down list as shown here. For the secondary sources you select, you can control the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate at the very bottom of the recorder. Be sure to click the Apply button if changing the secondary source's quality settings. Once the desired sources have been selected, click the Record button at the top or press the F8 key, which is the Windows hotkey to start the recording. While you record, all of the primary and secondary sources are being captured by Panopto at the same time. And if you have more than one secondary source, your viewers will be able to flip between them at any point while watching the video. If you capture PowerPoint slides with Panopto, we will automatically create a table of contents in your video from the slide titles. You can pause the recording at any time by clicking the pause button, or by pressing F9 on your keyboard. When you have finished recording your video, you can click the stop button or press F10 on your keyboard as a shortcut. Upon completion, the Recording Complete dialog box will appear. Here, you can change the title of your video if desired, as well as add an optional, searchable video description. If you weren't happy with the recording, you can click Delete and record again. Otherwise, click Upload and your video will be uploaded to your Panopto site. If you leave the Recording Complete dialog box idle for 1 minute, your recording will be uploaded automatically.